welcome back to Basic Electronics video. This is Manoj from Tenet Technetronics. In this video, I am going to explain the 16x2 LCD display and its working and its hardware inside. These display devices are used to display characters as well as digits. The 16x2 means it can display 16 characters in each line, and there are 2 such lines. This LCD display uses very popular HD44780 parallel interface chipset. These LCD displays comes in 16 pin packages, and let's see its pin configuration. Here I have drawn the pinouts for the 16x2 character LCD. The first pin is the VSS pin, that is a ground pin, and the second pin is the VCC pin, that is a 5V supply, and the third pin is the VE pin, that is called the contrast setting pin. We can set the contrast by using a normal variable potentiometer. And the fourth pin is the RS pin, that is the register select pin. It's used to set the operating mode. The LCD has 2 operating mode, instruction mode and character mode. Depending on the status of the pin, the data on the 8 data pins, that is D0 to D7, is treated as either an instruction or as character data. You have to set 0 to operate it in the instruction mode. The instructions may be like clear display, move the cursor, etc. You have to set high to operate it in the character mode. And fifth pin is the read write pin. If you want to write data to the register, you need to provide logic low, that is 0 volts. If you want to read from the register, you need to provide logic high. And the sixth pin is the enable pin. Sends data to the data pins when a high to low pulse is given. And the 7th to 14th are the data pins. That is, it is an 8-bit character LCD, D0 to D7. 7th is the LSB and the 14th pin is the MSB. And one important note is that the HD44780 chipset compatible LCDs can be controlled in 2 modes, either in 4-bit or 8-bit. 4-bit requires 7 IO pins, but 8-pin requires 11 IO pins, and you can do most everything in 4-bit mode. And the 15 and 16 are the backlight LEDs. 15 is provided with 5 volts and 16 is provided with ground. Let's look at the demo. Here I have written a code to display the characters on the LCD, and making use of Arduino Uno and 16x2 LCD and 1 variable potentiometer. Now the LCD is showing some characters like tenetech.com, digits, I found new non-working LCDs on my store and tried to figure out what's inside it. Let's look at it. This is the 16x2 LCD. Let's open it. And you can see the LiquidCrystal. And this is the backlight. This is exactly the same as this one. This is the backlight here, and there is a paper running on it. And besides the controllers and the pins, the backlight may vary from manufacturers to manufacturers. Here you can see an LED backlight, and this is a LED used for the whole LCDs. And let's see by providing the same 5 volts and ground. This is my 5 volts and this is my ground. See, single LED, this is my LED. I am providing normal 5 volts and ground. in some LCDs we have more number of LEDs. Supply 5 volts and ground and see what happens.